You can connect your OrCam device to Bluetooth earphones or speakers. Make sure both the MyEye and Bluetooth devices are charged, powered on and awake. Press the pairing button on the Bluetooth device. You can enter the Bluetooth settings either via vocal command or manually. To enter manually, simultaneously press the power button and swipe the touch bar. You will hear
Main menu, reading rate menu, touch to select or swipe for other settings.
Swipe forwards 7 times to reach Connectivity Settings menu. Tap the touch bar to enter and you will hear
Bluetooth settings menu, touch to select or swipe for other settings.
Tap the touch bar to enter, you will hear
Touch to connect to a Bluetooth audio device or swipe for other settings.
Tap the touch bar once. You will then hear a series of beeps, followed by the name of device that will be announced to you.
Touch to connect to Bluetooth earphones or swipe for other options.
Or if we are using a speaker,
Touch to connect to Bluetooth speakers or swipe for other options.
touch the touch bar and the audio will now be transmitted through the Bluetooth device and announce
Bluetooth audio device connected.
When connected to a Bluetooth audio device, the volume is controlled only by the buttons on the Bluetooth audio device, and not by the OrCam device's touch bar. To enter the Bluetooth settings menu via vocal commands, double tap the touch bar and say this vocal command after the beep.
Connect to Bluetooth audio device.
This will lead directly to Bluetooth settings menu. Note: for further information about Bluetooth connection via vocal commands, please refer to the tutorial OrCam earphones. If your OrCam MyEye does not detect the Bluetooth device, press the pairing button once more. For more information about Bluetooth compatibility, please visit our website at www.orcam.com/orcam-FAQ.